Can AI replace software engineers? Let's break it down quickly and clearly. First, AI today can write code, generate entire functions, fix bugs, write tests, and even explain complex concepts better than many tutorials. So the fear makes sense. But fear isn't reality. Here's the real picture. AI is amazing at producing code, but it still struggles with one thing: understanding the real-world context behind that code. Companies don't just need code, they need the right code that fits business rules, user needs, security policies, edge cases, performance goals, and existing systems. AI does not fully understand that complexity, humans do. Another important point: AI can't take responsibility. If your system crashes at midnight, the AI won't fix it on its own. If millions of users face an issue, AI won't be accountable. Companies still need engineers who can understand the system deeply and make decisions under pressure. But here's where AI will change the industry. It will remove boring work, repetitive code, boilerplate, documentation, test generation, small refactors. AI can do this perfectly. This means your role evolves. Developers will spend less time typing and more time designing, thinking, problem solving, and reviewing. And here's the simple truth you must remember: AI will not replace software engineers, but software engineers who use AI will replace software engineers who don't. The job is shifting, not disappearing. Just like calculators didn't replace mathematicians and Photoshop didn't replace artists, AI won't replace developers. It will upgrade them. So instead of worrying about whether AI will take your job, learn how to use AI to do your job better. Use it for coding, debugging, planning architecture, learning frameworks, and speeding up your workflow. AI is your power tool, and the developers who learn to use power tools build the future.